Hi, my name is Aditya Jagmohan. I'm a senior Asseco team member here at NMS Algo Licensed Custom Brokerage Services Inc. We provide services such as customs brokerage and clearance, delivery of consignments, application of license from the regulatory bodies, creation and forfeiting of customs bonds, and many others.
Our experience at the 2025 Diner Energy Conference was a tremendous success. We have been partaking from initial and it has helped our company so much. We would have built a clientele and we're looking forward for the 2026 Energy Conference, and this will be bigger since they will be celebrating their 5th anniversary.
We're excited to be a part of 2026 Ghana Energy Conference.
Visit us at booth 47 in the sponsors auditorium.
Building tomorrow's future today.
Everybody, it's by Too Cool and we're up on it. Sunday here in Guyana, and we're on an adventure today. As it is, we are at Linden, the town of Linden, and we are heading Rockstone today for a fun day. So I got screen right here, I got straight on the bus. We already load up all the essential. We got water, we got drinks, we got pre-prep fish and so on. So we're heading to Rockstone for a fun day today, guys. So join us for this epic adventure. So guys, I must elaborate on something. Look at this. So we are going in, and I must say this is very smart of the Chinese national. So this is a supermarket that open here right before you hit the trail to go to Lethem, to go to Rockstone, to go and have all the fun time down into the in the jungle. Let's say the jungle, all right? So this is very good. As you can see, if you see vehicle in the parking lot, everybody making a last stop here. Something to drink, some dry food, like in the sense of snacks, or you want your little beer, you want your garbage bag, anything you want. This is your last stop before you hit the trail. So very smart. Guys, let's go. Guys, I would like to take the opportunity to wish Miss Gayatri Prasad from Maikoni, really nice people. I would like to take the time and the opportunity to wish you a happy birthday, alright? Gayatri Prasad from Maikoni, take a big up. So guys, we're heading to Rockstone. I want you guys to check out this beautiful road that we have here. Well, prior to this front piece is always tarmac. So going in, they didn't have tarmac road up to one part had tarmac road, and then blam, share loom. So this is all new road. Kind compliments the big boss, Mr. Fanali. Big up yourself, thank you. And we do appreciate this, alright?
We live in Linden now.
Yeah, we live in Linden.
This is the road to Lethem.
Yeah.
Bus them, you see?
Speed there, whoop. Them guys just drive hard. I don't.
Yeah, because when you see this rush, you want to come home, you know you're on your way home, right?
I know which route Clifford come through by. Me don't know he drive behind hard back and he come through some other road there. If you use a shortcut for me. Pick up the Malik Clifford.
Just stone there, here, right? You know, shift the ground?
No, they're not gonna shift in here. They're compact sand. More going on here, guys, as you can see. One that here build them one at a time. Have a very easy.
So there's a new road to drive on, guys. See that? Can you see that?
Any sun for drive. Look how they up on tarmac road, my boy. So
I remember when the place was bad.
Yeah, Sonaburger road like this goes straight to Lethem. Instead of 9-10 hours, whatever hour 11 hours take you, we do it in 2.5 to 3.
I remember this part that used to have a whole set of hole.
Some people could do it in 1, but good luck to them.
Gravel here, you know.
Yeah.
I think the road was still coming in till here though. Up to, I'm gonna show you where just
When
now.
you mark, you turn off, right?
Yeah, I think up to here, all they had road before. LFSB province. I'm on a little roundabout here. Rockstone. Rockstone. Wait, is it turn? Watch the drop. The road good, man. Me not study bad and broke up and wash it.
Apparently, the old days is more secure. We used to drive them through.
Yeah.
Watch out for animals, guys. Remember them.
So guys, he GPS in.
GPS fail. How you gonna signal to the air? Are you surprised?
Then I got antenna. Where is the GPS guy in the postal services? Or go pay and catch him in and sleep.
The GPOC. They can build this road up soon, you can see.
So as we land there, we take one cool one for them half the system. Me and my bike Clifford and we game like go.
Coming up, that is
You gonna zing? This bike say the GPS you gonna zing coming up.
You
no,
want zinc for the
Where the
road?
zing there?
no, like a
One zinc?
A
One
zinc.
Oh, one zigzagger.
yeah.
You can't careful because me watch a zinc on the road. She be watching zinc there for truth. The GPS is show right thing. Chief, rules of the bush. Always stop checking with people on the road, make sure they're okay. You know, pass nobody, okay?
Even if we don't know them.
No.
Somebody need help for something, you know?
Or somebody can go pick door number 2.
Yeah.
You still got check.
Then people gonna stush in the bush. Shiva, that is the toilet in the bush.
It's not bad though. He forced you for driving the bad piece.
The lady had to go. She don't
Gotta
have
go, the man had to stop.
to stop. High beam.
High beam.
The people eat from the hot yard.
Oh, it shocks me. Forget me got that microphone.
Watch out.
Wait.
Come, Kamakari. What's a Kamakari? You don't know what's a Kamakari, Trevor?
Oh.
It's a snake. You got plenty around the area.
Oh.
Where we live gone off.
Oh,
Chef, this is the scrubbing board eh? You feel any little bump?
scrubbing board.
Check out this piece where we got across eh? Oh man.
Why you see the fish?
Yeah, you're supposed to see fish in there.
Very beautiful nature, eh? Just remember me and let them fight. When we're going to walk the mountain, you remember? Yeah? It's like the peak of it. You watch how high the water is raised, Shiva. Look where the plants, yeah? You can see.
We are at wow, beautiful Rockstone. Check it out, son. Sweet.
Nice fishing spot.
Yeah, check out that.
What do you the vehicle that burned the
Yeah.
That's a nice spot.
Monster Reach.
Bigger worm.
Surprise.
Today, I'm gonna ram the bin, boy. I'm gonna pack bin, yes, I'm gonna ram the bin. Sardine can't fuck my photo, boy. Yeah.
Look, ARD and Fish Pro sponsor the signboard.
Oh, nice, pick it up. And Jay's.
Yeah.
Pick up to ARD and Fish Pro, guys, for the sign. Thank you, guys, so much. somebody coffee, Yan? We finally reached Rockstone. Guess what? We forget aisle. We have to go back for some aisle by Auntie there. Finally we get some aisle. Thank you, Auntie. We got paid for your aisle. So guys, I'm gonna go fry the tuna first, and then we're gonna go check out the place later on, alright? Cheers. Ready for catch me there? Now cover everything. You got some sting fly, right? They gonna find thing more. They gonna find thing more. No man, me not like when the inside slimy. Me not go overcook.
Nah, that's how it's
Me no. Let go a little more. Got a crispy and crunchy. So guys, the first set of bluefin tuna, right? Alright, me exaggerate this yellowfin. Our first set of yellowfin tuna finally finished. Look at this, look at this. Oh man, yellowfin tuna guys, alright? Yam let go. Snapper, not snapper, sorry, tuna. Hot by hot. Mmm. Maybe you season this fish. You season this fish. This fish is good, bye. Well, good, bye. You hear the song, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry. You know me like for cook, right guys? Where your son? Oh. Proper thing, proper thing. So guys, we preparing a big pot of broth. So we setting up a pot of broth. I got some sweet potato, I got some plantain, I got some edo, and it's very nice time, alright? Stir fry, stir fry, stir fry. Perfect. We got we butter hot in there, and we trying some. We got bluefin tuna head. What's the other fish? Paggy?
Rainbow runner.
Yeah, we got rainbow runner head, and we got another one head in here. No. Mahi, yeah, mahi head, alright? And you got some snapper too, some snapper parts in here. Right? So we burning out the rank water first, and then we got add things, right? So this got burn out first, and then we got add things, guys. So guys, we having such a fun time. Fish and plantain fry. We got some really nice tuna head, this all left, and everything I read, alright? That's my boy there, that's my boy. About fishing just now, hold on. What? About fishing in that circle thing, about that book in there. Yeah, that's in the farm. After not too lengthy deliberation, oh man, it's hot out there. Look what's going on here, right? Time, man, it's very, very fun time. Look, okay, man. Another person come out, family oriented, and at the same time, as you can see, we got our soup here, right? Setting up here, fish soup, all right, guys, fish. We got some okra and such now. Everything else got going, all right?
Guys, let me give you guys a better view of the Rockstone. Here, you can see two cool heavy camp there going on. And the river is right here. So anybody interested in catching fish, just come over. I think they have a fishing competition. I'm not sure, but I see they have trophies and stuff going on. So let me see. You're gonna swing off in the river with the. They're gonna try that. Cliffy, you carry the pot and in case somebody run away with the pot. Yeah. And in case somebody run away with the pot. Sorry. Yeah, buy more. Yeah, Bile.
Yeah.
You only love that.
You almost done.
You throw coconut milk?
Oh, yeah. Forget about that.
So to cool cook a whole pot of soup, so he gonna share it out to everybody around the area who pass by. He gonna give them a bowl of soup.
So guys, knowing me, right? All this food cooking for random people, random strangers who pass by getting soup. Remember, you don't want nothing to waste. So, and I know me cook, big cook. So maybe that's why I get all this blessing, you know?
Coconut milk in powder.
Coconut milk powder.
So guys, I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough of the area. Show you how the place looking. So this is Rockstone. I don't know if they have a competition going on, but I saw a whole set of trophies. There's trophies up there. Oh, they got a bar here actually. And they got trampoline for the kids. So they bring cereal here. And look at this. They have fish farm here. For not can't be like a nanny, it gotta be what is fish name again, man? Forget the fish name. Tamaki or sea paku. That what it's called is sea paku or freshwater paku or tamaki. Oh yeah, it's a police fishing competition they got with football match and so on. I think it's region 3. I see the trophies and then I just pat the police logo. So all these people here are police officers and their family. It's like a Region 3 police officer Funday.
So guys, look how we brave shaping up here. Proper thing. Look at this. See. So the fish has integrated itself into the broth. This is what you call a proper fish broth. So the only thing left for throwing out pepper. You don't want to throw the pepper yet. This is like what, by 4 gallon of broth? Huh? Yeah, right here, I eat. Looking good, man. Looking good. Everything boiling, are you done? Look at that. Look at that. Proper thing. So just taste the salt and that's it. We're good to go. What happened? You vexed because of the hook? When he done, come and get some, right? That's right, guys. You gotta cover up everything tight. Oh man, this is good. Perfect. Guys, well, lady just come and say how much. Mr. Man, free. She said she'll come back. Mr. Come back. Yeah, perfect. No, a nice celery taste. That's not the proper way by it. You ready for soup? Come now, come in the chair. Come in the chair.
Proper. Here's the balls. Who is the name?
Too cool.
Who is it?
Too cool.
Yeah, this is too cool. Peter from New York and Glasgow, New Amsterdam. With my friend.
Come, mama.
With my friend too cool here, man. In
Rockstone.
Yeah, this is me and my friend too cool here in Rockstone. Lennon. Having free.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Respect, too cool, respect. Thank you.
The police officer today. Region 3 police.
Say again?
It's a Region 3 police Funday.
Oh, lovely, yeah. So just
Looking at spoon, eh?
enough respect to the police force. This is the regional division police. Yeah, my friends.
There we go. Respect, man. Much respect.
Thank you, my dear.
Y'all travel from far though?
Yeah, we come in just to support it.
Okay. But we come
at the
from
spoon
far
of it.
down over the river.
I live in New York and
One more?
like my mom.
You got more, man. You got plenty.
He came in yesterday.
Yeah. So to go sharing out this surprise to everybody, and then we're gonna pack up and head home because it's getting late. Y'all tell me the honest truth how it tastes, you know.
Hold on, I got full of cup. Now move the cup. Hey!
At Rockstone.
Come on,
Man, enjoy this.
You want? Come to my one view.
The man play shy, boy. And he got whole set there. We got empty the pot before we go home.
Yeah.
Yeah, for some of the box.
See them by one and some of them the right side them. Soup done. Soup. Hey! Yo! Fish broth. Come on. Check, man. Check. Proper thing, proper thing.
Soup sell out, boy. To go soup sell out.
Whoop! Fish broth, right?
Yeah.
Real thing. Look. Yeah, pepper look there. You need to go by the right? Yeah. Want more?
Yeah, you want piece.
Man, take the whole blast. The pepper.
We gonna TikTok or we gonna YouTube?
Watch my neighbor send over Calabres. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You want some more soup?
You want to see me now?
Okay.
Rockstone, you step by.
Yeah, man. West side. You want some partner? I got you.
Bring the hook, man. Bring the hook. Yeah.
There's like bar and go back.
Yeah, really?
23 new road, we do like bar and
New road? With a plant they walk. Not far from the police station.
Yeah. Got you, man.
You had any? You guys had any?
Come wrong, Rob.
see you, bro. I don't want to go back.
How you look there?
Huh?
How you look?
Done.
Alright, good.
Happy, bye. It ain't good. Nothing ain't good. It ain't good. Papa. Hey, that thing ain't good. Right? Hot. Pepper bond the man there, Pepper catch a man there. We had a fun one at Rockstone. Up there was really hot. We ballo, we pat, we eat. Soup galore up there, fish galore. It was really good. So I hope you had a fun one, guys. We had splashman, we had soap down a little bit. Me and Screen right here. I'll be one chair here, share one chair. Me and my last, I'll be sharing chair together. Without Surya wrong. I'll be by. Chef, you okay? So this is splashman as it is. This is a late hour wash down. We just come like I was going to bait, but man, the water not high enough for me, man. So you know. So guys, hope you had a good one, a fun one. Join us on another episode of the Ghana by Two Cool family. Cheers, guys.